Hi guys, this is Krishna Rao from Chennai. I am going to show you today Autocad how to attach the xref after attaching, how to which to select the selective search path type. The first most flexible option is relative, and second is no path, and third is absolute. In relative, the most flexible approach, it ignores the drive letter but needs similar folder structure. In no path, it ignores the drive letter and folder structure but search project folder in the options folder search path where you mention in the AutoCAD. Absolute is exactly required the same drive name and the folder structure like in this in the hard disk. It is like in your desktop. So I will show you step by step. Relate first absolute and then relative and then no path. So now my drawing is now here in my desktop. It is in my desktop. I have this folder xref test. In this I have my drawing 1 and then attached is xref 1. So now I am double clicking my drawing which is on my desktop. So just we'll take a second fraction of seconds. Now you can see that it is already attached. So if you go to the xref, it is showing that it is loaded, and if you click here it will show you it is in the relative. So now we will make this as absolute. That means it is saved path is C user drive xref 1 drawing. So what happened, we'll just close this and then we'll save this drawing. Now this drawing, now the xref type we have saved as absolute, need exact same drive name and the folder structure. So now we just save this drawing in absolute. The xref search path type is absolute. So we will just test this. What will happen if you just move this drawing folder to another drive, which is E drive? Like you are sending this folder, zipped it and sent to your client. Just imagine that your client is opening your full set of drawing with xref. So just we will make this and move this to E drive. So it is moved to E drive. In this E drive, here there is xref. So there will be hundreds of drawing, which is but reference is 1. So here we will just check, double click it. Now it is in E drive. So it is, now we have attached this in absolute method. You see you get error. Let us see what is the error. See now this xref, if you type xref, this is showing not found, it is attached. See here is showing see found xref. So it requires, it is not found, it is not searching, it requires the thing we called is absolute, need exact same drive name and folder structure. Now it cannot find C drive because it is in E drive. So what happens, it is not finding. So this is the case when you attach the xref in absolute method. So we will just close this drawing and we are not going to save anything. It remains in absolute method. This same folder we will move back to our desktop. So now what we are going to do is we will just open the drawing and xref attachment path type we will change it to relative, and we will see what happens when we move this drawing to E drive. And just we will change the xref type to relative. So now this is opens because it is in absolute method. The xref is attached in absolute method. Saved path is C user drive and found. See, it is drive letter is same, directory structure is same, so it is not giving any error. Now to move, because you cannot keep your drawing within you have to give to someone else. So now we will make this to relative, and you can see that it's saved. It ignores the drive letter and root directory, so it is taking only the path which is one step above, so it is taking the xref. So we will just save this, having changed the path such type. So and close this. Now this drawing is in desktop, so xref test. Now we are going to move this to E drive like we had done earlier. So we just move this to E drive and then click here and click the drawing. Let us see whether it's giving any error message or no. So now we will just see there is no error message, and we will see why. Now you see here we have attached here saved path is xref1 and found at xref1, because we attached this in the relative path, xref relative path. It is searching the folder of the similar substructure in the full current host drive. So host drive and the xref folder within that drive. So the same thing now in E drive, and we will close this, and we don't do any changes. It remains as the relative type. We will just go to this folder. It is now in E drive. It is in E drive. So now from E drive to F drive, we will just move this to another test. So now it has come to F drive, and you can see the xref test. We will just click this and check what happens. See, now there is no error message again, because you see now if you type xref, you can see that after clicking this xref, see the xref1 saved path and drive letter changes F drive. Still there is no error because it is attached by the relative method. So anywhere you go as a folder, if you move to anywhere, it will not give any error message and it will read it. So this is the very big advantage of the relative method, and it works very fine, excellent way. And there is one more option for this. What is that is, it will another option is no path. So what happens in options, in files folder and support file path, you give E drive. So it is already there, E drive, search support file search path and E drive everywhere. And we will add one more okay, this is for fine for now. We will take in another video the option of another type. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.